How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. And if y'all have seen Friday or Saturday's video, you know that my truck is down. Yeah, so right now Hunter had to pick up his truck at Fox Toyota. Well, we're gonna go test drive trucks because apparently Hunter told him I'm looking for a new truck, which is I'm not gonna buy a new truck, but we're just gonna go look. So maybe we'll get to drive some really cool stuff. Of course, I'll bring you all along for the ride, and we'll go from there. But yeah, thanks, Hunter. All right, guys, I'm in a Ford, and it's a Eco-Boost 3.5 liter. It's my first time in an Eco-Boost. It's a Lariat package. So you got heated seats, AC. Oh, we got heated AC seats.
There we go.
Oh, this is cool.
You got your huge screen over here.
Yeah, I love this screen. And it's a 6-speed. It's a 6-speed truck, unlike Chevys, which are now 8 and 10 speeds. I like a 6-speed better, personally.
People say these interiors are not nice, but I don't see what they're talking about.
I like them.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, I like them a lot. Okay. All right, the Eco-Boost is.
It sounded pretty good, but they pumped the sound in here. So.
Right, guys. So this is was it 2016?
Did you get the key out? Because those doors were locked.
Bull crap. Oh, do you? Okay. This is 2015. Sorry, Ford F150 with the 5.3 liter Platinum, and as Hunter could testify, it's quick.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It's a very nice truck with 60-something thousand miles on it. Very nice truck inside too. 3.5 liter. It sounds like a little mini diesel almost. Yeah. But I mean, this truck is clean. It's a Lariat edition, so you got heated seats, you got leather interior, nice sound system, whole 9 yards. This truck is super clean with the bed cover on it too. So we're gonna test drive it some more and we'll go from there. Also, it's the FX4 package. As you can see, we have a rare sighting of Hunter's Tacoma, his new one, out in the wild. We are in Gatlinburg again for the second weekend in a row. I'm with Hunter. Hello. And Ivy. Hi. So we're headed up to the top of the mountain, which is actually not gonna be cold this time. It's supposed to be like in the upper 30s, low 40s. It's not gonna be like 27 degrees. I'm in my mom's Toyota Camry, rolling that Camry life.
Toyota power.
Toyota power, yeah.
We go off the road.
Yep. So yeah, we're gonna bring you all along for the adventure. We're coming up on the first turn-off spot, so hopefully no one slams on their damn brakes, but yeah, it's whatever.
Look how beautiful. The moon's out.
The moon is out. So pretty. Just like you, babe.
Thanks, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Did you hear other people? They started honking.
Oh, we got a smoker, boys. We got one that's toned.
Uh-oh, look at that tailgate, though.
It's a 6.0, boys.
That's your typical rust bucket. I mean,
God dang it, we have so many comments now.
Oh, we got another tunnel.
Yay! I love being a jerk in a small car.
Trust me, Ivy knows I like to be a jerk in my car, too.
You have anything to say to that, Ivy? Next video clip you see is her like slicing our throats open and bleeding out everywhere.
Yeah, we go like this talking and you see her in the back preparing the knife.
Have you any comment to that video?
Like nobody cared, like nobody looked. They all just, that camera was probably like, oh my god, we're about to get hit.
Oh, this is pretty.
Oh. Hey, watch this one say, love your Camry. Camry gang. Ooh,
oh, wow.
Money shot. That is really cool.
That's almost as pretty as my truck.
Almost?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Wait, it just jumped
Stop there.
it just jumped temperature.
Did it?
41 degrees.
Oh, because we went in the sun for a second.
I'm trying to make the top of the damn mountain.
Josh is driving impressions of a Camry. He knows the back hands of a Camry now.
Literally. Thanks, Ashley.
Ow! Oh! Ow! I can't see. Oh!
God.
Ow!
Damn it! Look, guys, we found icicles.
I'm gonna like slide and fall on this crap.
Oh God. Oh! Oh God. Oh my God, Hunter.
Oh! Josh, you can get this one off. No, watch out.
Which one?
This big one right here, see that whole chunk will come off.
Ow! Oh God.
Yeah, just pull it. Pull it right here.
Why are we having so much fun with the ice? So Hunter, what does that look like to you?
It's like a dildo. Josh might want to watch out. Oh, I'm getting wet right here. No.
Come on, Hunter. This is a great view. There's Cherokee Lake.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Look at
Titanic.
right here.
He's taking a picture of us. So, I can make up the hill no problem. Say hi, Hunter. Hello. Yeah. So, my wonderful friends won't climb up here with me. What are you doing?
Pull me up. Pull me up, Simba.
Good view though. That sunset though. So guys, how'd you like to climb up to the top?
About died. I about died.
Yeah, we are so out of shape.
It's not even funny.
I liked it.
Yeah, he went up it like a spring chicken.
Yeah. You just kept turning around looking at us like, what are you doing? Taking so long.
You should have carried Madam's around.
Sunday guys, I am back up in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee again. Reason being, I got a truck review today. Awesome, I'm gonna be back in a second gen. It's been a long time since I've done a second gen review. Y'all been asking for some Cummins reviews. I'm working on some Duramaxes, guys, don't worry. But we got a second gen Cummins right now. And then we'll see where the rest of the day goes. But I love and hate coming to Pigeon Forge. I love it because I love the mountains and stuff. But this traffic and people who don't know how to freaking drive suck so bad. God bless.
Legend of Taurus.
Well guys, there she goes. She's about to head out of here. I'll see you in a little bit, old girl.
up.